Hi, my name is Rich Apostolik. I'm President and CEO of GARP, the Global Association of Risk Professionals, and I want to welcome you to this program that I'm going to say a few words about. We at GARP have spent the last year developing, with the input and advice from some of the world's leading technologists from industry and academia, our new Risk in Artificial Intelligence Certificate Program. It's a practice-driven program that covers AI tools and techniques, the risks and risk factors relating to AI, such as explainability, interpretability, autonomy and manipulation, safety, reputation risk, responsible and ethical AI, governance, such as data and model governance and model validation, and couples these and other subjects with practical case studies. We're just on the brink of a brand new era in financial services. This era will be heavily influenced and driven by generative AI and technology in general. Risk and compliance functions within organizations will be critical and crucial to successfully navigating the challenges and risks this technology will present. Their role will be twofold, one of gatekeeper and the other of it as an enabler of the use of this technology to further innovation and advancement while ensuring trust, ethics, addressing data privacy, and avoiding regulatory noncompliance. The pace of change driven by artificial intelligence would be much, much faster than anything we've seen historically. And the role of the risk and compliance professional to promote ethical AI and develop appropriate governance frameworks will be ever more important. Ensuring operational transparency, defining accountability, ensuring safety, maintaining data integrity, and reliability will be the hallmarks of a robust and effective risk and compliance function. You can be assured that our program will keep abreast of the changes in artificial intelligence and its impact and effect on risk management. And I want to thank you for your interest in this program and wish you all the best. And I wish you all the best in your careers. Thank you.